Good morning, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, guys. New Year's is over. Sobered up. Gotta go get my new project. It'll be a long project. It's not the easiest thing to do. Swap different engine. Oh yeah, we gotta go get my next project. Bring it back home. And that police woman was just looking at me. I think that's my neighbor. Yeah, I have 2 cops in my neighborhood right next to my house. Pretty cool. I get along with everybody. So anyways, gotta go and pick this thing up, and we'll get to it. There it is, 86 Yugo. GV, just GV, and which is rare for these. They have butterfly windows. It was super cheap, and oh, I love the smell of it. So yeah, we're gonna hook up a chain and get this bad boy over here running. Ford, pull it back in the shop. It's a Ford, but it's got a Japanese engine. What is it? Made in Japan. Forgot what that actual brand of an engine it is. But it's funny how it says Ford, but just like everything else, even John Deere tractors were made in all over the place. What's that? I think there was a tag somewhere that says who makes the engine. But anyway, yeah, gonna get this bad boy running and pull it, hook up the chain, and get the car inside. It's getting dark, and I want to get it running tonight, get it ready for tomorrow so I can drive it home, swap something cool in it, make it nice. Tractor all running, got to replace some tires, and then we're gonna just push that car in. Original 1986 except this big battery. This doesn't belong here, it's from a pickup truck or something. But we're gonna see if this thing runs. I think the fuel pump, oh, the fuel pump is replaced. Fiat, it's got a Fiat fuel pump. It's brand new fuel pump. Okay. Testing. Put the battery on. I brought the good one. Put the battery on, get some starting fluid, and see if this thing starts. Because I am not gonna push it home. I'm not gonna tow it home. I wanna drive it. I mean, this thing is so jacked up. What size? 165 80s. Whew. Man, I'm running 165s 60s at mine. Yeah, this thing is so high up in the air. It's crazy. Okay. The hose is hooked up. Some fuel. Let's see if the carburetor is not all clogged up. Hoping to be able to start up and drive home. Let's go! Getting fire extinguisher ready just in case. You never know. We had problem before. Starting car up, the car just caught on fire, so. Huge vacuum leak. Find out the booster hose goes from the carb intake manifold, I mean, to the booster. So I'm gonna place that and try again. No starting fluid. Let's see. Look at this! Man! Woo! Success! Lights. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There you go. 40,000 miles. Nice. Cigar lighter still probably works. Oh yeah. Blower. Oh yeah. Nice. What you care about is getting home. Got a lot of vacuum leaks. There's a vacuum pump. It's leaking vacuum all over the place. But success! Very nice! Should be pretty healthy last time we checked. Oh, catalytic converter. 80 bucks. Get some money back. Oh yeah. This is where they usually have problems. This is the area that they rust out right here. And this one is super clean, fuel tank's clean. All done for today. Cut off the exhaust, seats, panels, leaving it all here. Wouldn't need any of that. I'll be running a fuel cell. Pretty clean car underneath. I mean, suspension is a little bit rusty, but other than that, it's pretty healthy. Engine has no leaks. So yeah, I don't know how old that oil filter is, but yeah, we're done for today. Come back tomorrow and drive back home. Welcome back. I got the Yugo running. It was late last night, it was raining, I didn't have wiper blades on it, so I just left it, went home. And now next day I'm gonna go down there, pick it up, go get the Yugo, put it in my garage and start working on it. So that's what we're doing today. Joe! Up! One simply can't drive a Yugo without some Balkan music. Got a lot of vacuum leaks in this thing. right, e-brake. The crap we found in a fuel tank. Everything was clogged up, but it runs. Have a lot of vacuum leaks. Gotta keep pumping the gas pedal. Let's go, baby! After 10-15 years, I don't know when was the last time this thing ran. Car still runs. I have no brakes. Neighbors gonna say I'm nuts, even though they know I'm nuts. Yugo made it. Even after 10-15 years of sitting, still starts. No brakes, but got the e-brake cable. Success, very nice. Oh yes. Very nice.